you right now, 42.
Yeah, pit road speed's not happening this time. Try to get it coming in. Came back out at laps with no help.
So when we roll off, Kyle, most guys are trying to get their gap on the apron, and they're losing too much ground. So just try to stay up tight till we get to the backstretch, and then try to give up a little bit of the gap, and then we'll try to maintain that through 3 and 4. But everybody that's trying to do it on the apron, checking up, they get too far behind.
As far as my tablet goes, it doesn't have the infrared on the track temp, doesn't have the wind angle, and then the scaling on lap time drop off. You just kind of get that titsed out so it's ready to go each week.
The 48 was about 12 car lengths behind the guy he followed. You're about 8 to 10 right there. All clear straight up.
Corner.
Big tip.
Depot.
Can't hear him if he's talking. Come on back.
Alright, just hang tight for just a second. If you don't mind this time, off of 2, when you get up to speed, there's a Coca-Cola billboard, like a message board back there. Just see if you can see that or not. We're going to try and use that as a reference. Alright, 77 line now, half track behind him. You're all clear right there. Got a group into 3 right now. Coming to the green, or coming to the checker, sorry. Just watch your speed. Alright, you'll be all clear when you get there. It's off at 2. It's a little bit off the racetrack, away from it, so just see if you can see it or not. All clear when you get there. Water temp. 35.
Front temp slower, 40, 65. Looks like you lost some through 3 and 4, getting up to speed. You gained some, center off of 1 and 2 down the back, and then just maintain through 3 and 4 there.
Yeah, I gotta try and be closer, I think, than I was a little bit.
Yeah, I was just telling Chad, probably 2 car lengths closer. I think the only reason it worked for the 48 being that far behind because the 12 bobbled off of 4, so he's able to suck up a bunch there off of 4, come down to the line there.
I 10 to the line, and there's the line there.
And then as soon as they start rolling up, get about 3 behind, they just wash the nose on exit, kill their momentum.
What did the 3 and the 9 run that time?
The 3 ran a 67, so he was 2/100 slower than you, and the 9 ran exactly a 10 quicker than you.
Didn't step out at apex this time. I was a bit more ready for it. But 3 and 4 we got to clean up. The tailwind is a bitch over there. Whoever pulled out behind us in a gold Ford tried to hang with us. And, you know, I didn't see him after we made it through 1 and 2.
Minutes left.
Oh, that makes sense. That billboard too, though, is going to be tough. Because that's where I'm trying to make sure I'm wide open. And the whole car just pushes on the flat. It's like hard hold, wide open.
Whenever they get a chance, I messed up with it. I hit it just a little late there. They could just time it on the SMT deal at some point.
That's kind of our drop dead time from there as well. So we'll have one leaving pit road, and then if we have to drag our feet in 1 and 2 to get our gap right, we got to be at that Coke by 25 seconds to go. The 20 just there. He was behind Truex about 15 car lengths. He picked up from his first run.
2:38 in your mirror. And the 00. It's not much to work with.
car lengths is going to be your best gap. 38 rolling. I don't know if he's going to be fast enough. Jimmy's still stalled behind you.
And when the wind switches directions and I lose, and it comes from directly behind, yeah, I'm out of control right in that spot.
So while we have a second here, like anything within 5 car lengths, 7 car lengths, I've seen no benefit to. 10, 12, 15, seems like as the tires get worn on, you want to back that up just a little bit more.
Copy. Coming to the green in that, not the lane up against the wall, but one down from it.
So most people are left sides on that top seam coming to the green. Pretty much everyone except for Chase, he's coming to the green on the bottom.
Come and see Josh.
10-4.
Tell me if I'm wrong, but the majority has still been single car runs. I don't think there's been many sniffs, has there, Lambert?
Office, I got 1221 coming.
0 help.
They're both turning onto pit road now. Rolling steady. Menard looks like he's firing up the middle. He's rolling. 7 back. 5, 3, 2, 1. Good to go right here.
Back just now leaving. Nothing on track. Just you guys.
15 back.
Six pretty good cars just rolled off here. We'll see what they do.
What the 48 does here. Yep. 21 minutes yet. Track them 1 and 2 bottom. Got a little snug, then get into the line 3-4, so he stays in the 3/4 lane up. Everyone shut off behind.
One's done.
I'm 40-30 this time. Real good adjustment.
48 drafted behind you. He ran a 30. He ran a 35.
And 1 and 2 is okay. And then he was about 3 off into 3 and 4 there. And then the 2 run right on the line. And he tried tracking it down there, and either he just stopped putting wheel to it, or it stalled out. He gave up a little bit.
Anybody run anywhere but bottom, like bottom lane,
No, not really. Seen some pretty late apexes down there in 1 and 2 with a pretty big arc, kind of like you did. You and the 24 were probably as big as anybody. Right there, Jimmy tried to follow the 2, and he was until they got to the middle of 3 and 4, and then he lost about 3 car lengths on him.
Ain't closer than 10 or you get tight, it looks like. I know that's hard to do, but...
On if you want, it's up to you.
You'll get a little pull. If you get any closer to 10, it looks like they lose the nose in 3 and 4. Want to go run it, Rodney, first?
Whatever you think. Is there anybody to run with at all?
Alright, final creep out, you're all clear. Still clear, come on out.
Drag your feet coming through the garage. All good, switches. Same coming to green, nobody's widening it out yet. Pit road, 34 is leaving with us too, just left. There, just roll. If we can run a 40 or 30 by ourselves, we know we're alright. Only 2 out there are off of 4. Be looking for the 4. When you see him, let him go for a bit and you can go. There's 10 back 34. Same lap time, 37. Mid corner digging. There. Hot outside here. Good on Harvick. Looks like 10 out of 10 one way to 10 out of 10 the other way. They hit the bump right there in the middle of 1 and 2 and just turned sideways. So, I don't know. Just got 2 leads there.